Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and this is my last LG Naturals monthly subscription box. And so I signed up for this a year ago, and at the time I committed to a year of these boxes to get a lower rate. However, it became obvious that this just wasn't the box for me, but I committed, so I carried through. So now I have fulfilled that commitment, so that's why this is the last box. But this is a natural beauty products box, and a brand that I don't care for frequents this box almost every single month. And sometimes we get multiple of that brand. And it's Earth Harbor. And I'm just not a fan of the brand. It's a personal preference. The scent bothers me. So I just can't use the products. So that's why I'm just not a fan of the box. So with this being the last time, we're going to open it and see what we got. So she always writes your name in there. So hello, gorgeous. We have got, so this is the February box, even though this is March. Wonder how that happened. So then I bet if this is the February box, I must have another box coming. Yeah, I must. That's odd. Oh well. Oh well. But I'm not going to show you the card right now because it's going to spoil it. So I've sat the card down. Here's your box. So now if you are into natural, I guess you could say clean beauty, but let's wait and see what the card says. But natural products, this is a box you probably are going to like. Okay, let's see here. Oh, let's just pull this one out right now. Earth Harbor. This really should be called like an Earth Harbor box, let's be honest with you. So this one is Elza. It's a bioretinol youth eye serum. It is 1% plant retinol and stem cells. We have 10 mils. This is for all skin types, dermatologist tested, sensitivity tested, and it's a silky bioretinol eye serum with a cooling rollerball that refreshes like an island escape, hydrating and smoothing fine lines for a bright, youthful look, non-sensitizing and ideal for daily use. Could this be something that I would like? Have I gotten this before? I don't know. I feel like we've gotten something like this, but I don't know. So let's do the scent here. So I'm putting a lot on. Okay. It smells like roses. I generally don't like the smell of roses, but this is a very light rose. So the scent, I could actually do the scent. Now, I put a ton on my hand. So I'm actually going to apply over here because the amount I apply, can't really even smell it now. But the amount that I placed here, I was concerned with it because it felt sticky. So I'm just going to put a little bit here. I'm going to work that in. What I'm pausing for is it feels oily. And I don't like facial products that don't absorb well into my skin. Like last night I tried a product and I put it on before I went to bed and like I could feel it on my skin. I didn't like that. And then I noticed this morning, or actually it was later in the night, now that I'm recalling, I literally had to like take my pajamas and kind of wipe it off my face because I could feel it. And some, do you guys have products that, like, when I say don't absorb into your skin, if you go like this, they rub off? What's the deal with that? But that was one of the things, like this morning. Yeah, what's the deal with products that are like that? So going back to this, so the smell is fine. It absorbed. There's a light oiliness to it, but not bad. So I'm actually going to try this. I'm going to try this. So I'm not going to just say no right off the bat for that one. So yeah, I'm going to try that. Okay, let's see, what else do we have in here? Okay, we have a brush by Lauren Brooke. All right, Lauren Brooke, if I'm remembering correctly, when we've gotten it before, has it been makeup? Okay. Let's see here. All right, so by Lauren Brooke. It's a very nice, soft brush. So I'm liking. Okay. Right here. I'm trying not to look at the card every time I look down. This, I think we've gotten something similar before. Let's see here. By Root Pretty Paint. It's a vegan, gluten-free, organic, non-toxic cream makeup. So there was a box 4 boxes ago, maybe 5 boxes ago, that was makeup. I liked it. So I'm happy to see we got some more makeup in this box. And I like this color. I like that color a lot. So it's cream makeup. Okay. So now that's a very heavy, I was very heavy-handed there on the amount that I put on my pinky. So I really want to rub in. It's a nice color because, like I said, I was very heavy-handed there. I think this is going to be good for me. I'm going to play around with it. I like that it's a cream. I like that you can control the intensity of it. I like it. Moving on. I'm trying not to say the word so. We got another item, and this one is from Lauren Brooke as well. Okay, what is this? Okay. The little sealing thing, like, lifted, not a big deal. It's an eye makeup remove. So it is by Lauren Brooke. Eye makeup remove, jojoba oil, coconut oil, castor oil, beeswax, castor wax, comfrey oil. What is that? C-O-M-R, no, sorry, backing it up. C-O-M-F-R-E-Y. Never heard of that. Then burdock root. Wasn't there a box recently that had burdock or burdock root. I'm pretty sure because I commented on that. Plantain extract, key lime oil, sweet orange, essential oil. We got 11 grams. Okay, so she put like her sticker brand. So I kept feeling it because it's not on right and it was driving me crazy. But it is just her sticker on here. It's fine. It was bugging me because it was catching, so I just took it off. Let's check this out. Okay, it's what I expected. Yeah, I mean, it's what I expected. Like a more salve-like. Now, I don't wear the eye makeup, so I wouldn't use this. But I guess I do plan on the prior box. The Derm Store Beauty Fix box had some eyeshadow in it, and it's left over right there. Let's try it out. All right, let's try it out. So that was eye makeup right there. Okay. Some tissue paper. Yeah. Works. Now, I had very, 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 very sparkly one of the colors of the eyeshadow. So do I still see sparkles? Yes, because I'm probably going to need to use soap and water to get all that sparkly out. But the color, yeah. Curious, what does it do on this cream makeup? How well does it work there? Curious. Yeah, it's taking that off too. So I guess multi-purpose. I'd keep it for that. And we have one last item. So it is my very last item from the LG Natural Box. What do we have? It's by Good Medicine. It's Clarity. It's an Awakening Face Cream. So this is a new brand to this box I am not familiar with. Lauren Brook, I'm familiar. Earth Harbor. I can't remember if what we had before was from Root, but I'm pretty sure I've gotten something in this little container here. So this is 2 ounces made with wild crafted. And then it says Desert Botanicals in our Utah lab. In the lab. Well, I guess they could make the stuff in the lab. That makes sense. I just don't want it growing in the lab. Let's see here. It is aqueous infusion of desert sage, juniper berry, caprol, dandelion, alfalfa, olive oil, glycerin, and then it gets into a bunch of, glycerol stearase. Is that right? Or stearate. So what's on the other side? Self-love ritual. Take a dab of cream in your hands and press the cream into your face and neck and chest. Resist rubbing at the delicate facial skin. All right. Let's see. Here we go. So it looks creamy, looks luscious. Okay. It does have a unique scent to it. It's not extremely heavy. I wouldn't say it's off-putting necessarily. And I'm sensitive to this kind, so I want to be fair. But it's also not as strong now. So let's see. Oh, I guess I was supposed to rub it in my hands first and pat. Oh. Okay, it does have a scent. I don't think I'm going to be able to use it. I don't think I will. The scent is changing. The scent profile change. It is changing. The scent is definitely changing. But yeah, no, it's already starting to give me a little headache, actually, that quick. Another item, I'll be paying it forward. Let's look at the card, because is this meant to go with the cream blush? What was this meant for? So here is the card. It says, welcome to your February ritual, a curated self-care experience designed to nourish your skin, simplify your routine, and bring moments of calm into your day. And she does usually have a theme to each monthly box. So the first thing we have is Root Pretty Paint Hydrating Cream Blush plus Lip in the shade Kayla. It's a nourishing multi-use cream makeup that adds a natural color to your cheeks and lips while supporting skin with plant-based ingredients. The value of this is $16. So the Earth Harbor product, this actually just launched, it says. A silky bioretinol eye serum with a cooling roller ball that hydrates, smooths fine lines, and brightens tired under eyes without irritation. The value of this is $24. So next we have by Good Medicine Beauty Lab. It's a Clarity Awakening Face Cream. Calming, cooling face cream that hydrates, clarifies, and supports the skin's natural barrier. It is rich in botanicals and antioxidants, and it's valued at $28. No, it's valued at $38. The Lauren Brooke Cosmetiques, the eye makeup remover, value is $11. And then we have the eco-friendly cheek brush number 2. It's an irresistibly soft vegan brush made with sustainable birch handles for smooth, effortless blush application. So is it meant to be used with the cream blush? I mean, you could use it that way. You can use it that way if you choose. So let's add up here our value. We have got 28 with the 38, so 66. We have the 66, then we got the 90, so $106 value. You get your money's worth out of this box if you like these types of ingredients in your beauty care items. I wish we got more makeup in here, to be honest with you, because this I can't use it. The scent is just, I can't. This I'm going to try. Yes, I can use this to take off my other makeup, but I don't need to, and I would prefer not to use this and then also have to use a soap or a cleanser gel. So while in theory it would be good to take this off and do this again, it's just not practical for me. I'm not gonna go, oh, let me pull this to get off my blush. I'm just not going to do that. It's gonna be an item, gosh, sitting here and like thinking it through and talking it through, since I put my finger in it so many times, I'm probably not even gonna pay it forward. That's gonna be an item that I probably am just gonna, unfortunately, dispose of. Gosh, I hate saying that. This, I am going to pay it forward. These two I'm going to keep and play with. This I'm going to try. Am I getting my value out of this box? I would say no, because these items just aren't doing it for me. But that's what's to be, I mean, when you get these subscription boxes, you take the risk. Not every box is going to be for you, and you're definitely not going to like everything. And like I said, I'm just not a fan of the box. But I gave it a year ago, and this box very well might be something you'll enjoy. So check it out if these types of items are up your alley. All right, guys. Well, that wraps up another unboxing. I hope all is going well where you guys are at. I hope you're getting some sunny days, because we are not here. Fingers crossed for tomorrow. That's it. You guys take care. And as always, thank you for spending time. Bye, everyone.